Oh, Niagara Falls. So on our way, we stopped here. You can see the sunshine. This is where we are. What is this one called? This is called what?
It's a resting room.
Eh,
You mean resting place
resting place, eh?
along the highway.
Along the highway. Bannange. Oli akolereza bwe kuggwawo n'ayongera. Huh? Twafa dda. Akolereza ne guggwawo. Oyo akolereza ne guggwawo n'addamu n'akolereza omulala. Stretching. For how many hours have we been driving?
1.5.
1.5, eh? I love the sunshine. That is the highway.
Of a Sunday, back home in old Kentucky, the church choirs just belting to the pipe.
Stay in the middle lane.
And I love you like the mountain
Buffalo City.
loves the way the morning opens, too soft and bright, beating from the sun.
Use the right lane to take the exit, then keep right.
Make you stay.
Keep right to merge onto I-190 North.
I wouldn't act so angry all the time.
Oh, what an uplift.
I wouldn't keep it all inside. And I'll let you know how much I loved you every day.
Batuuze ku luguudo lwonna luli waggulu maama.
Don't we stay right here and shake this frost off of my bones. So I'll let that
Niagara Street.
when I should have took
Exits.
windows down, all the music played.
Stay in the second lane from left.
One way, stay right here. Shake this frost off of my bones. One way, stay right here. This
Ontario.
All that water is going to dump into the
criminal chinks, chain mail every week. Start up on jiggers and keep it 3 pages. Throw me a set and a couple of beats. And some of the gas is nothing to me.
The balloon.
You think we leave these ones behind? Yeah, for now.